crunchy and very tasty Sabudana vada. Prepared in air fryer. Take 1 cup Sabudana tapioca. Wash it for 2 to 3 times. Add clean water a half inch above Sabudana. Let it soak for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, check it. Add soaked tapioca Sabudana. Add 4 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes. Add a half cup coarse peanuts. 2 to 3 finely chopped green chillies. A half teaspoon chili powder. A half teaspoon cumin powder. A half teaspoon mango powder. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 3 to 4 tablespoon coriander leaves. 1 medium finely chopped onions. Mix with clean hand. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Grease palm with olive oil. Take a small portion and make a flat round shape. In preheated air fryer. Grease basket with olive oil. Place Sabudana vada in the basket. Set for 20 to 25 minutes for 180 degrees C. After 10 minutes, flip it. Apply olive oil. After 7 to 8 minutes, keep on checking. Once ready, take this out. Crunchy Sabudana vada ready to serve. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.